Hi everyone, my name is Ksenia, and if you're here, you're probably interested in sustainability, zero waste, minimalism, and mental health. As the spring is in full swing now, I'm excited to share the updates from our homestead. In this video, I'll take you through the progress I've made and exciting updates I've planned for the garden. The winter has been very humid in the Netherlands this year, so the garden is still full with water and I wasn't able to do much work so far. The result is that I haven't been able to plant some of the onions and garlics as I hoped in the winter, and also the weeds got away from me, so the garden is looking pretty unkempt at the moment. This week I took a whole week of work so that I could catch up on my gardening duties, and one of the things I did was to clean up some of the flower beds near the house, but also put some carton from the boxes and some tarps over the weeds in the garden. The reason for this is that we have a no-dig garden, which allows the microbiome in the soil to be preserved because you do not disturb it by removing the weeds. And here is the end result. Before and after, you can see that it's gotten less green, but it is all for a reason. Here is a beautiful magnolia that we got. I shared in my shorts that I always wanted a magnolia, and now we have 2 trees. Peaches and pears are in bloom, and their flowers match with my tattoo. And I can already see the flowers and berries of the red currant. This year is also the first time that we can eat asparagus without any limitations because the plants are now strong enough. And I shared the recipe for an easy vegan asparagus soup in my short. But the work outside is not all that we have to do. We also prepare for the garden season inside. I have sowed peppers and paprikas and eggplants. For this, I also shared a video in my shorts, but to give you a small breakdown, you have to soak the seeds for a day or two, or if your seeds are fresh, just proceed with planting them. I usually put 6 to 8 seeds in one container. The containers I'm using are heated, but if you place your pots in a warm and sunny place, they should be safe as well. It takes a couple of days for the seeds to start sprouting, and you have to keep the soil moist, but then you can air the plants out so that you avoid too much water. Sometimes not all of the seeds work, but you don't have to panic. You just repeat the process, or if it's warm outside, you already can plant some of the vegetables in the soil like beans, peas, potatoes, onions, and so on. Once the plants are big enough, you transfer them to bigger pots, and then eventually outside. For peppers, paprikas, cucumbers and tomatoes, I'm going to place them in the greenhouse. Now that it is warm outside, there are much more activities that I can do. For example, go walking with my dog and also go foraging for some plants and mushrooms that grow in the spring. For example, here I went to pick up some wild garlic, from which I make wild garlic pesto. I have shared the recipe in my shorts last year, and I'm going to put all the videos I mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you have any questions about my farm or anything else, please leave in the comment. Bye.